Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, TikToker Shante Suffering asked this question that we thought that we should discuss. So let's take a look at the question.
So recently, I was thinking about the American dream, and I'm pretty sure we're familiar with that. But what would you say the Jamaican dream is? Like, if you were to ask the average Jamaican, what would their response be? I know in America, it'd probably be something like, oh, to own a home. But like, if you think deeply about it, what would the average Jamaican response be like?
Why is Jamaica dynamic, you know? What is the average Jamaican? I don't know how that look. I never know how that look. How does the average Jamaican, who would you describe as the average Jamaican? I'm not sure.
Maybe there are a few general things, though, that probably go across the board. So there could be a lot of people dream of no crime. Jamaican dream.
Right.
Yeah, say no crime in Jamaica back in the days when you could walk on the road and everything all right. Everybody might want to ensure that they can pay their bills and have money to continue life afterwards. Right. Man. Some people might dream to have a particular type of vehicle, because you're right, different people and different pockets of people are different.
Get a dream. But that's the thing. Jamaica have so many different different
little worlds within.
Categories.
Yeah. Some people dream for go foreign.
Some people dream for go foreign.
Jamaican dream.
So them not really dream abroad. A Jamaican dream. Them a dream an American dream. Neatly. I can't even really tell you what exactly is the American dream anymore either. I mean, once upon a time, you used to hear that it was white picket fence and in the suburbs, a family
with the two children. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's what used to be considered the American dream, but I don't think of that. As far as as I was saying, like the youths them now, like the youths them in a Kingston, Manmiata mostly. It's a house on the hill take by the girl, a European vehicle, and them dream that, and it done. Factual.
That's it.
But I don't know what little Jamaican girls dream of. I can't tell you.
I don't know what little Jamaican girls dream of either, but I can tell you, say, as somebody who grew up in country, I could tell you right now what I still dream. To be living on the beach. I have a house on the beach. I can open up my doors, step onto my little porch, and then walk to the beach. I'm gonna have my coconut tree that I can climb. I'm gonna have my hammock that I can lie down in for the entire day if I choose to. And I have fruit trees all over. I don't need to buy anything. I can eat off the land. Yeah, wake up and do it again.
You always give people the perfect example of a woman flexing. Because me not get it. And the first Jamaican this me ever hear dream about beach house. Jamaican people dream about beach.
No, me tell you, me want to live on the beach.
I know how you want.
Want to live there, so I want to hear the waves.
Beachside with coconut tree where you can climb every minute. Like me no experience beachside coconut tree but beer enough. Experience that beach normally.
I was always fascinated.
Kind of barren.
No. I was always fascinated at how my cousins climb the coconut tree. I still to this day cannot climb a coconut tree. You hug it and you set your foot them a certain way and you go up the tree. And
if you do like our virgin one day you hug a hug tree 1,123 times, maybe you will learn how to climb it. Maybe you will learn how to climb. Like, I don't know.
What is your Jamaican dream?
My Jamaican dream? I don't really do it. I'm living it. I live in it. I don't know. I don't. Yeah, I'm not really. And my dream now is to just continue living it and grow it.
Yeah.
And multiply it. Yeah.
I beg a coconut tree.
Yeah. I have coconut tree at the yard. You can get coconut.
Odessa's Jamaican dream is to farm. She wants to have her own farm. Yeah.
I have a little farm too. But I'm not a horse.
You're not a horse?
No,
she want a horse, she want goat. I grew up having goats, pigs, chickens, a few roosters. Yeah.
No, I can't bother with the excess amount of animal.
Yeah.
Too much.
Oh, yes.
You know?
Pigeons, right. We call him Babylon. But yeah, and we had to take care of all of that, plus the land. That was beautiful.
Yeah. You didn't go through a puppy thing recently too, though.
What is that supposed to be?
An abundance of a litter.
Right? Yes, my dog had 10 puppies, right? 10 one time.
Everybody should know. You don't want a dog? No, I don't want a dog.
I need to get rid of 10 puppies. Who has 10 puppies one time, though?
You
Jesus.
don't want a dog.
Me tell her that she banned. Banned. No more.
You told her this.
Yes, I did.
Did she understand it?
I think so.
How did she communicate
She gave me the
this
puppy
understanding?
look. She gave me like the sad doggy look. Yeah, she get it. But the Jamaican dream for me was not my dog having 10 puppies. I can tell you that. It wasn't at all. Right? We don't like that one. Yes. That was a nightmare.
I mean, really and truly, I think that the Jamaican dream is to live a simple, relaxed life with as little financial stress as possible.
Peace.
Yeah.
Own your home.
Yeah.
Free of crime. Being able to more than pay your bills and be comfortable.
That is my dream for Jamaica. For the crime to. I don't know if it will ever disappear because it's deeply rooted, but you know, for it to at least lessen. Yeah. We have a winner for the game that we announced earlier. Her name is Janique Smith. Congratulations, Janique.
What was Janique's answer?
Yeah, so she wins 2 tickets to Retro 80s and 90s.
Right? So her answer would have been?
Craigie T, Basie, Flex, and Alex.
All right, beautiful.
Yeah, big up Janique.
Easy like that.
You know the thing.
Yeah. I mean, I truly never get for type my answer. So pick up your tickets, please, Janique. You have to pick them up today. 32 Lyndhurst Road. Just once you drive in, just come to the front. Your tickets will be there. Make sure you carry your ID as well. All right, please, please, please. Or else me will collect a ticket them for you. Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching Daytime Live. What are you doing for the weekend?
This week, no, I'm at 40 studio work this weekend. I don't know, exciting this weekend.
He's working on a new song.
Well, I have some things I work.
And it sounds really good. Okay.